Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can redeem your Justice gift card. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.shopjustice.com. So once you type this URL in, you will end up in the official site of Justice. So here all you need to do is scroll down to your favorite section from which you want to shop and select the item you want to purchase. Now once you select the item, from the selection you can select any of the liked clothing or any accessories or any stuffs. So once you select a item, you need to simply tap on it, and after you tap on it you will end up in this kind of interface where you get an option to select the color, your fitting, your size and other stuffs. So once you select it, simply press on add to cart, and now after you do so you need to simply tap on the go to checkout option. So after you press on go to checkout, all you need to do is simply fill in the details which the Justice shop asks to fill in. So all you need to do is simply fill in your necessary credentials and click on the continue to shopping option. So after this step is done, you will find the discount code or gift card option. So now simply go there and type in your discount code or the code that is written on your gift card and simply press on the arrow besides it. So once you do this, your gift card of Justice will be redeemed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.